So today we will be discussing about what's going in our market, क्या चल रहा है, how Nifty is looking, how Bank Nifty is looking, and we will be discussing some of the stocks that are considered blue chip stocks, and is this the right time to buy them, or should we wait and give it some time to correct and build a base and then buy those stocks. So let's first start with Bank Nifty. So this is I'm doing analysis on daily time frame, and if we look at this, so it is forming a W pattern. If you look, so that means it is forming a base, and what should we do for this is we should wait till like this point, and if it crosses this stage, then we can give it some time to consolidate over here, and then if it goes with a bullish engulfing, then we can start buying in Bank Nifty futures. Let's talk about Nifty. Nifty is also not looking that good as per Bank Nifty, because there it's formed a base and it didn't broke its like previous swing, but in Nifty it looks like it has broken its previous swing. So let's give it a time. थोड़ा यहाँ पे consolidate करता है in this range, and then if it gives a good breakout with bullish engulfing, then surely it will be then in bullish nature. So till then, let's wait for Nifty. Nifty is more impacted in compared to Bank Nifty. It has formed its base over this support zone. So this was the, if you look at the trend, so if you see like it formed this, so it broke its previous swing. Then after that again it got here down. Then again it broke its previous swing, but again after that it is following that pattern. So it looks like it is going in downtrend, and once you see there is accumulation zone, so then only we can go ahead and go with somewhat this character. And right now if you see, it is in phase 4 of its market structure, so let it come in phase 1. We will wait for that accumulation zone, and then it will be good to buy in Nifty as well. So this was about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let's discuss about HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is also a good blue chip stock. So in this also, if we see, it is forming a base, and it has formed this. If we take a rectangle, where is rectangle? Where are you? Okay, so if you take a rectangle, if you see, this has formed a good base over here. So that means it has given a breakout of this zone, and this could be a good point to buy over here. Like, let's wait for a pullback, so that it makes sense that sellers are interested or not right now in HDFC Bank. So let's wait for that. Let's take it a pullback, and once then it crosses this zone, then we can give it a nice buy for target till here over there, something like this. So it's a good range that we will get. And if we talk about the range, let's look how much. There it is. So you see, it's like 108 points. So it will be a good long way run once it crosses this zone. So HDFC Bank is looking good. It is looking positive. Let's talk about Reliance Industries. So Reliance Industries also ये यहाँ तक आया था, अपना प्रीवियस स्विंग नहीं तोड़ पाया, सो दैट मीन्स इट इज़ स्टिल इन bearish zone. And if we talk about, तो यहाँ पे buyers आए थे. This is last, like this is the order block that we talk, but the issue happened is it broke its order block, and so this doesn't seems valid. So if it has broken its order block, then we will be talking about this part, and this is where it has formed a structure. So this is where the resistance zone is. So it has came to its resistance zone and it has fallen again. So we are looking for it, and now if we look, it has given a bullish structure, but still it hasn't broken its previous support zone, sorry, previous resistance zone. So let's wait, and once it comes again over here, let it form a base over here, and then we can go ahead and see, okay, once it crosses this, then we can go for this target. So this target is somewhat around 57 points, so it will be very easy targets for around 5% that we can get over here. So that's for Reliance, and once it crosses this zone, then it will be a good way of like investing in Reliance for this target, that is somewhere around. So if we check from here, and if it goes, so it is 203 points. Okay, so today I will be covering only two stocks, and later on I will try to be analyzing few of more, like some taking from mid cap, from small cap, and those we will be taking and going in this live sessions. So yeah, that's it for today, and I will be keeping it a short one, and happy investing everyone.